Good morning student. Welcome to the biology class. In the last video, I explained about that transportation in plant. This is the continuation videos of this lesson. Means as you know student, what is mean by transportation in plant? Transportation in plant is the process in which the substance absorb and synthesize one part of the plant and transport to another part of the plant. This called as a transportation in plant. As you know, plant is also living thing. Plant is required water, minerals, food, some conducting system which is present in the plant, and due to this conducting system plant can transportation in water, minerals and food. These conducting system consist of the two main types of the tissue. In the last lecture I explained that what is this xylem and phloem. In that video we are going to study detailed study about that the xylem tissue and phloem tissue. Let us start the today's lecture. See student, this is the structure of xylem tissue. You know xylem tissue. Xylem tissue is a one kind of the complex tissue. These main function of the xylem tissue is transportation of water. Means see, this is a plant. There is a root. The root absorb the waters and minerals from the soil, and in the plant there is a present conducting tissue. This is called as the xylem tissue, and this tissue have a tube like structure, and this tissue transport the water and mineral to the upward direction. Means whatever aerial parts of the plant like branches, leaf, fruits, flower, they require the water. Mainly the leaves require the water for the process of photosynthesis, and xylem tissue is a tubular passage and transport the water and minerals from the root to the upward part of the plant. This is the structure of, means this is the LS section of the xylem tissue. This diagram has given to in your textbook. Xylem tissue is a complex tissue. In the last year already you have studied about that. What is mean by complex tissue? Means the tissue which contain the different types of the cell. The tissue is contain different type of the cell. This tissue is called as the complex tissue, and xylem tissue is a complex tissue. Why? Because the xylem tissue is made from four types of the cell. Four types of the cell. I will explain each and every types, as well as I will show you the diagram and what is the function. See, this is the another diagram of the xylem tissue. There are four tissue of xylem. First is the tracheids. Means the xylem tissue consists of four types of the cells. So means it is called as the complex tissue. Tracheids, xylem vessels, xylem parenchyma and xylem sclerenchyma. Got it? The xylem tissue, main function of xylem tissue is conduct the water from root to the aerial parts of the plant. Understood student? What is the main function of xylem? Xylem जो टिश्यू प्लांट में प्रेजेंट है, they conduct the waters and minerals from the root to the upward part, and the xylem tissue consists of the four types of the cell. One by one I will explain you. Tracheids. Tracheids is the dead cell. Tracheids is a dead cell, and the tracheids have a tapering end. Tapering end means like that. In pointed end have a pointed in structure. Means the end have pointed. This is called as the tapering end. On the tracheids have a pores, small pores, and this tracheid, it is a dead cell. They are also mechanical support to the plant. See, I will show where is the tracheids are present. See, this is the long elongated. This is the elongated cell. These elongated cell. See, this elongated cell is called as the tracheid. Tracheid is a dead cell. Their end have a tapering, means pointed end, and the pores are present on the trachea. And what is the main function of trachea? It's conducting the water in upward direction, upward movement. It is a unidirection. जो xylem vessels है, they are transport the material, water, minerals only upward direction. So it is called as the unidirection. Got it? Understood? What is the tracheids? Tracheids is a dead cell, tapering end. The pores are present on the tracheids, and the main function of trachea to conduct the water and give the mechanical support to the plant. Understood? Next tissue, next cell is a vessel. Xylem vessel. It is a tube. See, this is the tube-like structure. This tube-like structure is called as the xylem vessels, and these tube is the main function to conduct the water in upward direction, and it is also giving the mechanical support to the xylem tissue. Got it? Xylem vessels. This is the trachea and this is the xylem vessel. It is a tube-like structure, and main function of the xylem vessel to conduct the water from upward direction, and it is also give the mechanical support to the plant. See, this is the vessels. This is the tracheids. Another third type of the cell is the xylem parenchyma. Xylem parenchyma, it is only the living cell which is present in the xylem. Means the vessels and tracheids are a dead cell. Vessels and tracheids are a dead cell, and xylem parenchyma is the living cell, and the main function of xylem parenchyma is store the food. It store the food. These are a small thick wall living cell. Xylem parenchyma is a living cell and main function to store the food. And the last type of the cell of the xylem tissue is xylem sclerenchyma. Xylem sclerenchyma. Xylem sclerenchyma is also dead cell, and it is the main function to provide the mechanical support to the plant. It is also called as a wood fiber. It is also called as wood fibers. Understood, student? What is the xylem? Xylem is a complex tissue. It is the conducting tissue. The main function of xylem tissue to conduct the water in upward direction. There are 4 types of the cells which consist of the xylem tissue. Tracheids, it is the dead cell. It is elongated, and the main function of trachea to transport the water upward direction and give the mechanical support to the plant. Xylem vessel, it is the tube-like structure. This also main function to conduct the water upward direction and mechanical support. Only the xylem parenchyma is the living cell, and the main function of xylem parenchyma is store the food. Got it? And xylem sclerenchyma, it is also dead cell, and its main function to provide the mechanical support to the plant. Got it, student? And the main function of xylem is transport the water, mineral from root to the aerial parts of the plant, and xylem sclerenchyma give the mechanical support to the plant. Got it, student? What is mean by xylem tissue? Next is the phloem tissue. Xylem transport the water molecule, and phloem is translocation of the food. Means, as you know, student, see, the leaf is the food factory of plant. You know why? Because the leaf have contained the chlorophyll pigment, and due to chlorophyll pigment the plant can make the food by the process of photosynthesis. This process is carried out in the leaf. Means the leaf make the food, and these foods are transported to all parts of the plant body excepting roots also. Got it? Because all parts require the energy for performing the function. And how does it perform the function? It get energy, then the all parts, roots absorb the water. Okay, means the leaf make the food, and these foods are transported to all parts of the plant body through by phloem tissue. So we call the phloem transport the food material from all parts of the plant. Got it? What is the phloem? the phloem tissue is also consist of the four types of the cell: sieve tube, companion cells, phloem parenchyma and phloem fibers. I will show the diagram and one by one I will explain you where it is located. See, this is the lateral section of the phloem tissue. See student. See, this is the long elongated tube-like structure is called as the sieve tube. Sieve tube is means like that cylindrical structure. This structure is called as the sieve tube and they are found in arranged vertically like that one by one. Got it? The sieve tube is very important because in the end of the wall have a plate like structure, and this plate is the main function to transporting the food from cell to cell. Got it? Cell tube is a cylindrical in structure. Cell tube is a cylindrical structure. Sieve tube is a cylindrical structure. Sieve tube is the living cell. Sieve tube is a living cell and the end of the sieve tube have a plate like structure. This is called as the sieve plate, and the main function, the important role of this plate, this tube is transporting the food from bidirection, means any direction of the plant. Understood what is the sieve tube and sieve plate? Next type of the cell is the companion cell. This cell is also elongated. This cell is attached to the sieve tube and this cell is give the support, means it is the supportive function of the sieve tube. Companion cell is give the support to transport the food molecule from the any direction in the plant. Got it? What is the companion cell? Companion cell is the living cell, thick wall, elongated cell. It is found attached to the sieve tube and it helps the sieve tube to conduct the food material from all parts of the plant body. Got it? Next is the phloem parenchyma. Phloem parenchyma, this is also thin wall parenchyma, and this main function of phloem parenchyma is to store the food. Got it? And the phloem fibers, it is also called as the phloem sclerenchyma. It is a dead cells and they provide the mechanical strength and support to the plant. Understood student? This is the diagram which is present in our textbook. You will observe this diagram and you will locate the structure and you also study about the parts of the phloem tissue. Got it? This is the sieve tube, sieve plate, and this main function to transport the food material. Companion cell which is attached to the sieve tube and it helps to transport the food material from bidirection. Phloem parenchyma, this store the food, and the phloem sclerenchyma is give the mechanical support to the plant. Understood student? What is the phloem tissue and xylem tissue? Let us see the distinguished difference between the xylem and phloem. See, the xylem tissue composed of the four types of the cell. You know that, which are xylem fibers, tracheids, vessels, xylem parenchyma and xylem fibers. And the phloem tissue consists of also four types of the elements: sieve tube, companion cell, phloem parenchyma and phloem fibers. It consists of mainly dead cells and it consists of living cell. Means the vessels, tracheids are a dead cell in xylem tissue. Only the xylem parenchyma is living tissue. Xylem parenchyma is a living tissue, but in the phloem, the sieve tubes, xylem parenchyma are a living. Got it? And it conduct the waters and minerals. It conduct the food. The xylem tissue is only upward unidirection, means they transport only upward direction, and the phloem tissue is a bidirection, means it conduct the food material from all parts of the plant. So it is called as the bidirection. Got it? It provides the mechanical support strength, and it also provides the mechanical support strength to the plant. Understood, student? What is the xylem and phloem? The xylem and phloem tissue is together is called as the vascular bundle. Understood? And what is the main function of phloem? Transport the food material to all parts of the plant and give the mechanical support to the plant. And xylem transport the water molecule from upward direction. It also give the mechanical support of the plant. Got it, student? What is mean by xylem and what is mean by phloem? Thank you.